Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to construct a slip knot. This is the first step in almost every crochet project. For example, if you want to crochet chain stitches. So, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Hold the end of the yarn in one hand and wrap the working yarn around your fingers like this. Make sure that the working yarn is on the top and forms an X shape. Now insert your hook under the bottom strand, then pull through the top strand so you will have this loop on the hook. Then simply pull on both the working yarn and the tail end to tighten the knot. This is how you do a slip knot. Just remember that your slip knot should be able to glide up and down the hook like this. Make sure your slip knot is adjustable, not too tight or too loose. Otherwise, you might have difficulties working with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.